Here's the key.
Oh yeah, thank you. You got to send me that make so I can watch your the YouTube video.
Yes, so I just want to show people how customers get happy when they have the interiors already done with us right here at EM Upholstery. And guys, there you have it. The clients are always happy. They're impressed with the work. And this is for the 2012 Tacoma. How do you find it?
It looks fantastic.
There you have it, guys. Huh?
Better than I expected.
Yeah, when you see it in the box, it looks kind of horrible, but once it's installed with all the, all the machines that we have,
Yep.
it changed completely. Looks like a different vehicle.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, guys, visit us right here at EM Upholstery Technology. Like and subscribe, and visit leathertech.com or emupholsterytechnology.com. Thank you.